In this guide, I'll show you how to convert JPEG to PDF without using any software. Firstly, right-click on the JPEG image you want to convert. Select Open With and choose Photos. Once the image is open in Photos, click on the Print icon or press Ctrl+P. In the Print dialog, you will see a drop-down menu labeled as Printer. Select Microsoft Print to PDF from the list of printers. Click Print even if you don't have a physical printer. Choose the location where you want to save the PDF file and enter a name for the PDF file and click Save. Navigate to the location where you save the PDF and right-click on the file. Choose Properties and verify that the file type is PDF. And when you're done, open the PDF file to ensure it has been correctly converted. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.